Today we're drinking one from a viewer, Julie's Triple Raspberry Mead. Welcome to the tasting room, where we drink adult beverages
and judge them.
I'm Brian.
I'm Derica.
Let's get to pouring. So this is 11.5% ABV and 1.014 final gravity. And this came in from Julie Tardos. She sends us stuff pretty often. Pretty cool. This was triple raspberry because it had raspberry tea,
Raspberry honey, and raspberries, I believe.
Yeah, I think something like that. It certainly has. It's like in the bottle it looks more raspberry. In the glass it looks more orangey.
Doesn't it? It smells good.
Oh my god! Wow! It just smells like raspberry.
Yep. It reminds me of Chambord.
It does. Holy crap!
I wonder if we could get Mom to sip some of this.
I don't know. What are you doing?
I didn't swallow.
We're supposed to clink. We're supposed to talk about the smell and everything.
Okay, so the smells like raspberry.
We're gonna have to clink again now.
It's
I get a little bit of honey.
It's got that deep richness that, if you're familiar with Chambord, the fermented beverage that's behind Brian.
What's a liqueur?
It's a liqueur. So it has honey added to it. So this is probably the closest to...
Yeah, that makes sense.
It's just much lower ABV because...
Now. Taste it. It kind of does taste like Chambord.
It's a much lighter, crisper...
Yeah. It's easier to drink than Chambord even.
Yeah.
It's not as cloying. It's not as sweet. But this has enough sweetness to it that it's nice.
Yeah, this is lovely.
But it's got a good tannic value.
I can see this chilled.
Chilled, I think this would be amazing. Nice tannic value, good acidity profile. The acidity is just right. Like, it's got enough to be bright in the mouth without, like, burning your face off.
Even though it is very raspberry forward, it still reads a mead. I'm still getting the honey notes, which is really interesting that it doesn't have that cloying, almost really viscous mouthfeel.
It doesn't at all. And as a matter of fact, when it first enters your mouth, it feels a little watery.
Yeah. But I think
it fills out, but it does feel a little watery at first.
I think it's the dominant presence of the raspberry that's kind of making a cleansing sensation that I'm actually really enjoying.
But this is another example of, if it's worth doing, it's worth overdoing.
Yeah.
Because there was an inordinate amount of raspberry tea bags in this.
There was a lot of tea bags. Yeah.
And that's where the tannins are coming from, as well as some of the raspberry flavor. It's amazing what you can do with tea bags, though. I mean, I know a lot of people that they brew meads exclusively with honey and some sort of a flavored tea that they got. And
in our experience working with a dried vegetable material, aka tea, it works great. The yeast, you'll love it. Mm-hmm. And so...
Especially if there's real tea in it, because there's a little bit of nitrogen in the tea. They like that, But this is lovely. I think this is better now than it was a year ago, too.
I think so, too. And I remember really enjoying it, but this is fantastic. Julie, fantastic.
Mm-hmm. Now, if I remember correctly, a year ago, we didn't put a score on it. But after a year, I'm calling it ours, so we'll put a score on it.
I'm putting a score on it. And part of that score is pouring me a second glass.
That must tell you something.
Do you want some?
Yeah. Yeah, I want some cheesy poofs.
Yeah, I want some cheesy poofs.
I didn't want that much, but okay.
Yes, you did.
All
I
right.
just didn't realize it.
Apparently I did.
So, I could see this paired with food. Like, I could see this... But this could also be like a ladies' luncheon beverage.
Yeah, sure.
With the finger sandwiches and the...
Sure. Our bottle has a little goop in it, so we want to be careful.
Yeah.
Probably let that... Oh, you know what? You can put that in the fridge overnight and it'll cold crash.
Yep.
I think this would be nice chilled. Even better chilled. Yeah. It's kind of like a rosé wine where it could go either way,
Mm-hmm. All right, so on your screen, you should be seeing our scoring card. Our scoring card goes from 1 to 11. Because yes, ours goes to 11. But what you don't see is the super secret 0 for things that are just absolutely gosh darn awful. Surprisingly enough, this is not a 0 for sure. The higher end of the spectrum, I don't know.
I don't know. I have to think about this one.
I would say if it didn't have that moment hesitation of feeling watery.
I could go a little higher if that wasn't the case, yeah.
Right.
Don't get me wrong, this is not bad. This is very good.
This
and that's
is-
why we're contemplating the score so much because,
Yeah.
by the way, this is no judgment on Julie at all because she didn't actually make this. We did.
Yeah.
If it's good, it's all her. If it's not so good, then it's us. It's my story. I'm sticking to it.
Do you have a number?
I think I do.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 9.
9.5.
Yeah. I couldn't quite make it to 10 on this. It's not really my wheelhouse. I like it, but I don't love it. I personally would probably want this a touch sweeter and a little less acidic. I can't believe I'm saying that. But it just needs to be a little bit less. It needs some thickness and richness.
Yeah. I feel like just a little bit more staying power in the mouth would make this easily a 10,
why it's a 9
maybe even
for me.
11. But even that really doesn't bother me that much. That's why I can only knock it down to
The
a 9.5.
flavor, though, is pretty fantastic. It's just lacking a little bit of mouthfeel and a little too... It's not even astringent acidic. It's just too acidic, period. Really nice, though. So, Julie, good job. This was awesome. I would make this again. It was that kind of good. And we still have a couple bottles of it.
If you enjoy raspberries and you can get your hands on these ingredients, I would say definitely make it and let it sit for a year.
Yeah.
You'll be pleasantly surprised.
And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching and have a great day.
Bye-bye.